Hello friends, welcome to the joy of conceptual learning. Friends, in the last class we have discussed the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in Excel. Today we are going to throw light on minimum, maximum, count and average function using Excel. So suppose you have set of data, say suppose 1, 8, 9, 23. Now out of this data, if we need to find out the minimum value, then in order to find out the minimum value, you press equal to button in your keyboard and type min, start the bracket using shift button, select this set of data by selecting through the mouse, close the bracket and enter it. So you will get minimum value in this set of data, that is 1. Now if from the same set of data we have to find out maximum value, then again same, press the equal to sign, type max, start the bracket, point the cursor toward this start and drag it by keep pressing the left click of your mouse, close the bracket, enter it. So 23 your maximum value, as you can see from this data. Now suppose you have the same set of data or maybe different set of data, concept will be same. You have to count how many numbers are there. So by simply seeing 1 2 3 4 you can easily count, but if you want to use through the Excel, you can simply type count, apply the bracket, select the state of data by dragging the mouse, enter it. So 4 is the total numbers. These are just way to make you understand, but once the data is very huge, then these formulas or these functions will be very helpful. So for the timing, it may seem to you it is very easy, but it is only easy when the set of data is very less. But when the set of data is 1000, 10,000, 50,000, in that set of data, it is very difficult to find out the minimum or maximum or count. So in such scenario, the Excel function of minimum, maximum, count will help you. Now suppose we have to find out the average. 4, 7, 8, 9. So in order to find out the average, you simply type equal to, write average, start the bracket, point the pointer of mouse at this point or at this cell, click left and then drag it, close the bracket and enter it. So this is your average value. Now if the data set is very huge, now in the current scenario the data set is 20, in many cases you have a 50, 100, 1000, 10,000, so the same concept will apply. So this is one of the hypothetical example where we have kept this many set of numbers. Now here we have to find out the minimum. Same formula will apply. Click equal to, type min, start the bracket, select the data. You can select from bottom to top or top to bottom. Any way you like, you can select it. Then close the bracket, enter it. So out of this set of data, the minimum value is 1, that as you can see here. Now if suppose from the same set of data, you want to calculate maximum value. Now you write here equal to operation, type max, start the bracket, select the data, press the mouse left key here and keep moving by pressing. Select till here, close the bracket, and this will give you the maximum value. So 667 is the maximum value in this set of data. Now suppose we have to count it. How many numbers are there? In order to count it, you apply the same fundamental concept. Equal to should always be start, type the menu or command count and select it. You can select like this from top to bottom or bottom to top, and then close it. Enter it. You will get total number 20. So 20 numbers are there from this point to this point. Now if we need to find out the average, now in order to find out the average, we have to simply type equal to always and then type average word from the keyboard and start the bracket, select it, close the bracket and enter it. So this is your average value. So friends, I hope you have understood the concept of finding out minimum, maximum, count and average in Excel. It will be very helpful when the data set is very huge, and it will also helpful in the analysis, especially like for example you have 100 city where the minimum and maximum temperatures are jumbled. Okay, so in such circumstances, suppose you have to find out that which city has a minimum temperature, which city has a maximum temperature. So you can apply the min equal to min, start the bracket and all the set of data you selected and you enter it, you will get the minimum. Same way you apply the maximum concept, equal to max max, start the bracket, select all the set of data, given data and close the bracket and enter it. And in the same fashion, count equal to count, select the set of data, you will get the count. And average also same way, equal to average, you type it and select the set of data by starting from the smaller bracket and close the bracket and you will get the average value. So friend, I hope you have understood the concept of minimum, maximum, count and average. In the next class we will be throwing some lights on the VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP is a very powerful function and it will make the data analysis very easy. So till then, you take care of yourself, your health. Always keep your city environment clean and always help the others. So till then, it's signing off. Bye bye. Take care.